What's up, guys? Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everyone. And welcome to LiveNet Gist TV, the home of comedies, trending news, and viral stories. If this is the first time of coming across my channel, you are highly welcome. And I say, may God bless you for stopping by. Please do not forget to subscribe and to turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I drop our comedies, viral stories, or latest videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, really thank you and appreciate you for your support. So may God bless you all. Hey guys, I'm right back with another trending video of Portable aka Zazu showing some love by raining money in his neighborhood after returning from his Europe trip. God bless him for this good job, because if you're in Nigeria, you know what is because if anyone tell you it's hard, tell him don't mention, because we have I think even a child inside the tummy understand that the difficulties in Nigeria is I, I don't know what to say. But anyway, guys, enough of the talking. Kudos to him for his good work. May God bless him. May he keep it up. I think, and I also pray may other celebrities join him in this mission of charity. So, guys, do not forget to like, share, and to subscribe. And you can also drop your comments constructively on the comment section. See you guys in the next video, and bye for now.
Bàbá yìí ti dé sẹ́. Ọlọ́run bàbá yìí ti dé. Ògo owó. Ẹ kó sí lọ báyìí. Ògo owó. Ọlọ́run. Ọlọ́run. Àrísọ́ríire. Àrísọ́ríire bàbá yìí ti dé. Bàbá rí. Kó bẹ̀rẹ̀ bàbá yìí ti dé. Bàbá yìí ti dé. Bàbá yìí ti dé. Ẹ sábà bàbá kọ́kọ́ la mọ́tò. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ kọ́ la mọ́tò. Àwọn ìyá mi jẹ́ mi náà di dọ́là mú. Jẹ́ mi náà di dọ́là mú. Dọ́là. Ọ̀yà bẹ́ẹ̀ jẹ́ kọ́ fẹ́ ọ̀dọ́. Dọ́là. 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 Ni o. BMW bọ́dẹ̀ mi wẹ̀. Ṣáà sí díẹ̀ díẹ̀ ṣáà rí. Ó bẹ́ tọ̀ ni.